Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do a Ghibli edit using an easy method. First, let's understand the magical Ghibli aesthetic, which often features vibrant colors, soft lighting, and a dreamy atmosphere. To begin, select a video or photo that has good natural light. This will make your editing process much smoother. You'll also need an editing application that provides robust color correction and overlay capabilities. We'll dive into the specific adjustments next. Now, let's master those iconic Ghibli colors. Start by adjusting your saturation. Increasing it by about 10 to 20% will make your colors pop beautifully. Next, give your contrast a slight boost to add depth, but be careful not to overdo it. A key step is shifting the color temperature towards warmer tones, creating that signature cozy and inviting atmosphere. Finally, experiment with hue adjustments, particularly for greens and blues, to perfectly match the Ghibli palette. To truly capture the dreamy Ghibli vibe, let's add some atmospheric touches. Begin by applying a subtle vignette. This helps draw the viewer's eye towards the central subject. Next, introduce a soft blur or a gentle glow effect to give your footage that ethereal, magical quality. For an authentic, vintage animation feel, consider incorporating light leak or dust overlays. Remember to adjust the opacity of these effects carefully, ensuring they blend seamlessly with your original footage for a natural look. Finally, it's time to refine and share your Ghibli-inspired masterpiece. Take a moment to review your entire edit, ensuring consistency in color grading and effects across all your clips. Make any last minor adjustments to brightness, shadows, or highlights to perfect the overall look. Once you are completely satisfied, export your finished Ghibli-style video or image in high resolution to preserve all the beautiful details. Now, you're ready to share your stunning creation with friends and family on your favorite platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.